Welcome to the fascinating case study of Spotify, the world's largest music streaming platform. Did you know? Songs is over 1.7 million, podcasts exceed 2 million, and there are over 1,345,000 users across 180,000 countries. How did Spotify achieve this monumental success? Let's dive in. The market landscape. In the competitive music streaming market, Spotify holds a significant share. Compare this: YouTube Music at 108, Amazon Music at 113, Apple Music at 115, and Spotify at a whopping 130. But how did Spotify, which didn't start from scratch, become the top player? The visionary founders. Meet Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzon, the brains behind Spotify. They saw a gap in the market where Napster and LimeWire offered free music but without proper compensation to artists. Identifying the problems. Daniel and Martin identified two critical issues. Artists weren't getting paid, and there was no easy access to music legally. They envisioned a platform that could solve both. The business model. Their initial business model was simple: offer music for free with ads and provide a paid, ad-free experience. But transforming this idea into a successful business was no small feat. Building partnerships. Daniel approached major music labels like Sony, Warner, and Universal, convincing them to put their music on Spotify in exchange for revenue sharing and stock options. This move was crucial for securing content. Launch and initial challenges. In 2008, Spotify launched with a limited catalog. The response was overwhelmingly positive, but the journey was far from over. Challenges from the industry and competition loomed large. Overcoming industry resistance. Artists and producers were skeptical. In 2014, Taylor Swift removed her catalog, criticizing Spotify's free model. Despite such setbacks, Spotify's user base continued to grow. Innovation and expansion. Innovation was key. In 2019, Spotify expanded into podcasts, investing over $1 billion and signing exclusives with celebrities like Joe Rogan and Barack Obama. This diversified their offerings and attracted a broader audience. Personalized user experience. Spotify introduced personalized playlists like Discover Weekly, powered by advanced algorithms. This feature analyzed user preferences, enhancing engagement and loyalty. Monetization strategies. Spotify's revenue model evolved, with 90% coming from paid subscriptions. They balanced free access with premium features, ensuring a steady income stream. Competition and market dominance. Despite fierce competition from Apple Music, Amazon Music, and others, Spotify maintained its edge through continuous innovation and a user-centric approach. Lessons learned. What can we learn from Spotify's journey? First, identify and solve a real problem. Second, innovate continuously. Third, build strong partnerships. Lastly, understand your users deeply and cater to their needs. Spotify's story is a testament to visionary leadership, strategic planning, and relentless innovation. It's not just about music. It's about creating an experience that resonates with millions worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. Like this case study? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of business and innovation. See you next time.